Hey YouTube. Okay, yesterday I stopped over at Tractor Supply and picked up a new cylinder. Since my flux core was getting low, now would be a good time to make an investment in gas. So what we have here is just a 75-25 argon CO2 split. I will be running Hobart wire. I got a Tractor Supply as well. Was going to get this 030 wire over at Harbor Freight, but the difference in price was $31 at Tractor Supply, and I think it was $27 for 030 wire at Harbor Freight. The Harbor Freight wire is very good. The Harbor Freight wire is IME wire, which is made in Italy, and it's exceptional. This flux core wire is also IME wire, and it's E71T, very good wire, made in Italy, and it's excellent wire. I had to buy this tank, and that's not cheap. This is a tank now that I own, and when I go to refill it or exchange it, just take this and get the same 125 bottle. The valves I got with a 20% off coupon online at Harbor Freight. There were some pretty good reviews on these, so we'll be cracking that open. But that's the deal here. We've switched over to gas, and so we want to see how this Harbor Freight MiG 171 welds. So we've put the nozzle on, and we just got to feed the wire through. Slowly open it. Oh. And there we go. So now we're going to crank this wide open. I think I've found a problem here. When I was turning the welder off, I heard a hissing, so I thought it was the clamp on the outside, so I put a new clamp. The problem is this quick connect on the inside. I'm going to try cutting the hose and trimming it off, but I don't think that's the issue. Okay, problem solved. I took out the hose and I clipped off just about a ½ inch, and it isn't leaking anymore. Here's the two pieces that I've set up. I've welded some tube, got that set. Now I've taken some of this flat bar, which is 2 by, that's 2-inch wide bar, 3 feet long, and I've marked where I want to have that, and what I've scored with a grinder just a couple little lines there, and then put it in a vise and bent them, and they're at the same angle as the other two pieces there. And then I've done this one, which pretty much is, I've been able to, it's just a mirror. I'll take some pictures of this with some measurements, so anybody that wants to replicate this can see how long it is, and this will be plenty long just to cradle the log. I might actually just move it out just a little bit, but I'll put some measurements in there. No making fun of my welds. I haven't welded since I built the log splitter, so it's been quite a while. It's been months. actually have it so it's just a piece of sheet metal on there, and then it'll slide. I might do that. I might cut it and then just tack it. The thing I have to do left is put some pins in, and I'll just mount a pin so it'll hold it in place. So that's what it looks like. Just a real down and dirty kind of log rack, just so stuff doesn't keep falling on the floor. Thanks a lot for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.